Welcome to the Stonewater at Abberly Chase apartment homes by HHHunt. With 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,202 square feet, this floor plan gives you the space to live in the place to live. Was a spacious kitchen on your list? Check! This home has it. This kitchen comes fully equipped and offers ample cabinet and counter space, as well as a breakfast bar. This open concept makes entertaining a reality. Plus, the degree of separation helps make dinner parties in the dining area intimate and cozy. Just off the living area, you will find space for outdoor lounging. Start your day with a fresh breeze and a cup of coffee in your own private patio or balcony. Both bedrooms offer a ton of natural light, large closets, and the space you need. Your ensuite invites you to soak your cares away. With a full-size washer and dryer, coat closet, and smart technology, this home is the one you've dreamed of. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. For more information or to tour this model, visit AbberlyChase.com.